Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can merge or split PDF in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to open up my WPS Office application. Okay, and if I want to edit PDF file, we need to go to the PDF menu here. Okay, you can select PDF and then you can click on new or click on this plus icon. Okay, and here you will find some editing tools for your PDF file. And if I want to merge or split PDF file, we just need to go to this menu. Here you will be able to combine or merge your PDF, and you will be able to split it as well. And you just need to choose the one that you want. And for example, I'm going to combine or merge PDF. Okay, we just need to choose like the menu, and then I'm going to select some documents, some PDF documents from my device. Okay, just click on open, and then you just need to click on convert, and then the PDF file will be merged automatically. But guys, if you want to use this tool, you need to subscribe to WPS because it's not free, unfortunately. But if you don't want to subscribe to the WPS office, but you still want to merge or split your PDF, I'm going to give you alternative. So we're going to use a website. Wait, I'm going to open up my browser, and then I'm just going to go to the small PDF application. Okay, and then you can choose merge PDF here, or you can split. You can choose split if you want to split, and then we can choose file, and then you just need to choose the files you want to merge. Alright, and then just click on merge. Here you just need to click on finish. Okay, then you'll be able to download the document by clicking on this download button. Okay guys, and that's all the way to split or merge PDF file. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!